Hey guys, it's Quickly again with another ROM review, and this time I've got the XOSP version 6.3 for the OnePlus 3, so stay tuned for that. So the XOSP ROM, it's been around for some time now, and I have used this on my previous previous phone, which is the S3, and I have been using that for some time. And what is it basically? This is a CyanogenMod based ROM, so it is CyanogenMod 13.13, and it has most of the features or most of the theming options and a lot of applications from the Xperia series of ROMs. Now, personally, I feel that the Xperia theme or the Xperia experience which you get with an Xperia phone is the best among other manufacturers like Samsung, TouchWiz, or LG's UI. I really don't like Samsung's UI because it's really colorful and tacky, but the Xperia UI is something which is more elegant. I really appreciate that, and that is because I am coming from an Xperia phone. I used to have the Xperia Z3, and that is something which I didn't really mind using, and I really didn't mind changing the theme. So yeah, now let's get to the ROM now. First of all, what you would see here is that almost everything is themed after Xperia. So you can see that the settings is kind of this card style settings, and the about phone page you can see that it is XOSP, which is Xperia open source project. So you have the little GIF there. Mod versions is 6.3. This is the unofficial version. OnePlus 3 does not have the latest official, so just that. We do have a change log where you can see all of these stuff which is working and all that. Revision 3, XOSP release RL6, Xperia apps. Now I have not installed the Xperia applications because reasons, but you can actually download the zip file. I'll be linking in the description where you can download the applications for the Xperia phones like Walkman, radio application. All of that can be downloaded and installed. It's a one zip file where you can select whatever you need, so that's really nice to see. Now the device is OnePlus 3. This does use the CyanogenMod kernel, and slightly tweaked one. This does have dash charging, so that is something to keep in mind. I really like that. Security level patches is July, and this does have CyanogenMod XPI level figure 6. Now in the extra applications or options, being a CyanogenMod ROM, you do get most of the stuff which is already in other CyanogenMod ROM, so that is basically it. But there are a few stuff which I want to take care of. AOSP settings. Now XOSP settings. In the XOSP settings, you can actually enable the logo, so basically in this indicator, font size of the clock can be changed, date can be enabled or disabled, it can be center of time, all that can be done. Swiping to the right, you do have lock screen personalization options. You can actually put in lock screen blur, which is really nice to see. That is an Xperia stuff. So yeah, blur status bar background can also be done, which is this. You can see this is blurred, and all that can be customized from here. Translucent notification, status bar header, all of that can be customized and done with, so that's really nice. Button personalization, if you are going to use navbar settings, you do have that option, or you can actually change the bindings for the hardware buttons also, which is basically a CyanogenMod feature, so you do have that. Playback control, keyboard cursor control is available, reorientation is available, all of that. It does have the system app remover. If you don't like to like any of the system applications, you can remove that, but do tread caution on that because it's very important. Double tap lock screen to put device to sleep is also available when you are coming up from the lock screen, but I use fingerprint, so I really don't need that. There is also option for prevent accidental wake up, which is really nice to see. Clear all button can be customized. There it is, and you can actually use that. Dashboard can be 1 or 2, which is basically the settings menu. You can have 2 tiles or 3 tiles. Dashboard tile view, all of that is really cool. Something else which I really appreciate is that the on the go mode. Now this is really cool. Let me just show you guys what that is. On the go mode, if you enable, everything is translucent, so if you're walking down the street and you want to see what's ahead of you, you can. And well, in brightly lit areas, you can actually have this working in a very good reason, so that is really cool. You can actually use that from here, so yeah, pretty nice. Notification control personalization, you can actually enable status bar task manager, so you can have that. And the clear all button is really nice addition there because I really like that. I really appreciate that. Contextual headers is available. You have the contextual image changes according to the location and all that. Now about XOSP, you do have a few options here like share the ROM, XOSP official's website. You can also all do that, and there are the two people who are basically the source builder and lead developer of this. So yeah, it also comes with WiperFX, which is well, the application is there but it's not installed, so you do have to install it by pressing yes. I'm not going to install it, but WiperFX is probably the best audio mod you can do for any phone, so that is something pretty amazing. So yeah, now like in any other CyanogenMod ROMs, it does have a few options which is unique to CyanogenMod ROMs, like ambient display is available, advanced dose modes can be enabled, LCD density can be selected to any of these values. I normally select 400 because I like that. Show search bar and reset menu, notification light can be customized, and it does give you a lot of stuff there. Themes, now as I've already said, this is an already themed ROM. You do have Xperia theme already in here, so you can actually also get other themes, because personally HydrogenOS theme is one of my favorite right now, and I might switch to it on other ROMs. So yeah, you do have heads up notification, enabler and all that inside here. Lock screen settings, you do have fingerprint enabler. Live lock screen is available and you can actually enable that also, pretty nice to see. Show weather, display music visualizer, which is nice actually. It gives a very nice body trick for you guys, so that's really nice. Now battery life is well, what should I say, it's about the same as a stock CyanogenMod ROM. Nothing special, but nothing bad either. You do have options for ambient display customization like pickup mode, hand wave, always enable, and always enable. All of these are available, and if you have used any other CyanogenMod ROMs, these shouldn't be new to you guys. So yeah, gestures is available, which is also available in other CyanogenMod ROMs, so I'm not going to get too much into that. The alert slider is working, and I do use that a lot, and that works. Status bar options, you do have status bar options, and you do have option for selecting the clock in the center. AM PM indicators are small. The day indicator can be selected in the other option, so you do have that also. Battery status style can be Xperia, which is this one. Xperia style is available. Now brightness control, notification count, and quick pull down sides can be also be selected. So yeah, this is also available. You can select 4G instead of LTE, and all the customizable status bar icon can be customized to whatever you need. So that much is it in the settings menu. There's nothing special in this, other than the fact that this is a very stable ROM. Yes, this is a stable ROM. I didn't have a lot of issues. The camera issue is there, but that is a very simple fix. Just go to build.prop and delete the storage fs to equals true. Delete that and you'll be good to go. It does come with a few applications like XOSP file manager, which is a root file manager, so you do have that on the get-go, which I really appreciate. Camera is nothing special, but it is a camera and it works like it should. I have already tested Ampere with charging. It does have dash charging, so again, nothing special there, but it is available. Antutu benchmark score, I'm just gonna tell you guys, it's about the same as what you would expect out of a CyanogenMod based ROM, which is about 140, middle 140,000. So nothing special. I'm not going to install Antutu benchmarks again and show you guys, because I have been trying out a lot of ROMs and I had to uninstall this ROM because yeah. I'll show you guys the boot animation, which is pretty cool, and also this one is available when it boots up and it goes off. So this is the boot animation for XOSP ROM for the OnePlus 3. So yeah, that is really nice. Now one more thing which I want to give you guys is that the notification light does not go away when the device boots up. This was an issue which I had previously with Bliss ROM or else Beanstalk in the previous version, but in the new version it's fixed, and this one you do need something to change the color of it, so that's an annoyance. Also dash charging, while the phone is dash charging, the status bar does not change. The only way you can understand that the phone is charging is with the notification LED. Everything else does not say anything else other than just charging. It doesn't even say charging, so that's some kind of a bug which I'm experiencing in here. So I guess that much is it about the ROM. There's nothing much to talk about because this is a themed CM based ROM, and you are going to have all the features and a few of the extra features from XOSP. So basically it's a CM based ROM. You do have all the features from CM ROM and a few extra sparkles from XOSP settings. Guess that much is it about the ROM. Hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.